TikTok could face a U.S. ban unless Chinese owners sell stake. Weren't we here like 2 years ago?
I know.
And who was going to buy it, the stake? I can't even remember. Was there an actual offer on the table? There was a suggested company. Try to remember. It wasn't Microsoft, was it?
Oracle?
I think it might have been Microsoft.
Oh, okay. Oh, yeah, maybe. Yeah.
But I can't recall. And you don't have to go. Okay. Yeah, go ahead, Will. I don't know. You want to go on a little goose chase? You go for it. But it never worked out. And it didn't seem to me to like be a good fit anyways. I was like, really, Microsoft, you want TikTok? I don't. As you can see with their OpenAI relationship, that seems like a better immediate fit. Mm-hmm. But that was a suggestion at the time. Holy crap, we got this user base. We don't want to get banned. We're going to have to find a partner real quick and sell a portion.
And it's also the servers, like where the data is stored.
Where is it located? The Biden administration is reportedly demanding that TikTok's Chinese owners sell their stake in the short-form video sharing app, or it could face a possible U.S. ban. First reported by the Wall Street Journal, the demand is said to have come from the Committee of Foreign Investment in the U.S., a multi-agency federal task force that oversees national security risks and cross-border investments. It is the latest move in a crackdown on the ByteDance-owned app, which has already been the target of government restrictions. In February, the Biden administration ordered federal agencies to remove TikTok from government devices, and dozens of state governments have since passed similar bans, including Canada. Canada banned it from government devices as well, even more recently. So all the way back in 2020, it was in the crosshairs. It was Trump's target. Concerns over the app have heightened in recent months after both Republicans and Democrats, and when do they ever agree on anything, called for officials to impose stricter data collection restrictions. In related developments, TikTok is set to be banned on phones used by British government ministers and civil servants following a review by the UK's National Cybersecurity Centre. Canada, Belgium, and the European Commission have already barred the app from government phones. Well, here we go again. I guess it's ratcheting back up, and people are concerned. Rightfully so, they are concerned, and we'll see what transpires here. If we get an outright ban for the public, or it's happened in India as well, which wasn't listed there, and it wasn't just government devices, it was just straight up for everybody.